Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video tutorial, I will explain in Django web application how to configure and connect PostgreSQL database and migrate tables into database. See, here we got the post migrate employee table. Let's browse this one. View data all rows. After I browse this table, here the column names emp id, emp name, email. These are the column name properties. That's it. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. Before creating a Django application, first we'll create a new database in PostgreSQL database. Right click the root folder. Let's create and go to databases. Let's create the database name is Charan database. Click save. And let's expand the databases folder and see here the Charan database. Let's open this database. You get a message called the database connected. Let's open the schema to check the tables. In the schemas, in the tables, let's browse these tables. So right now in this tables folder, there is no any tables. Now my aim is I will create a Django application to migrate tables into this database. Before creating a Django web application, first we create a new folder. So I'm creating a new folder in E drive. Right click the mouse, click new and select folder. The folder name is Django PostgreSQL migrate. Let's browse this folder. Right now this folder is empty. Now we'll create a new application in this folder. I'm using Visual Studio Code to create a Django web application, but before creating an application we need to add that folder which we have created in the E drive. Go to file, select open folder, and the folder is the Django PostgreSQL migrate. Let's select that one. And here the folder is successfully added to our Visual Studio Explorer panel. At the right side we've got the welcome page. Let's close this welcome page. Now we'll create a new application in this folder. For that, go to view and select terminal. And here we got a terminal which is a PowerShell. And notice the path is our folder name in the E drive I have created. Let's create an application in this folder. Django-admin start project. The project name is PostgreSQL migrate. Enter. The PostgreSQL migrate is my application name is created successfully in this folder. Let me expand this app. So this app contains one subfolder with the same application name and one manage.python file. Let me allow to expand this subfolder also, and this subfolder contains some default Python files like settings.py, urls.py. All these files and folders has been created automatically when I create this application. So after create the application, the next step, let's create the models. First we need to add this application cd post migrate to the path. So after that, let's add the models page, models.py, enter. And this models page contains the properties of the class, properties of the table. So before adding the properties, we need to add the models page, models class from django.db import models. After that, let's define a class called employee class. Employee class. The class name is, which is a table name in our database after migration. Models dot model colon emp id is equals to models dot integer field and this is the primary key is equals to true, and I'm adding emp name is equals to models dot char field max underscore length is equals to 100. Let's copy this one, and instead of emp name I'm adding email. Just for the demo purpose I have added only 3 columns in this class employee. Now when we want to apply migrations to the database, we require one admin page. So again, before that, let's save this file, save all. Again, right click the subfolder, click new file. This file name is called admin.py. In this admin page, we register our models in the database. So from django.contrib import admin. After that, let's import our model also. From my model class is inside our application.models import employee, the class name, the model name. After that, let's register this employee model admin.site.register. I'm registering this employee model. Let's save this file. The next step is open settings.py. First we need to install our application name between single quotes. Our application name is this one, PostgreSQL migrate. Let's add in the install underscore apps, add comma, come to the bottom. Notice the database default engine is the SQLite, but here we are using PostgreSQL. So here we'll add PostgreSQL, and the next one is let's add the database name of our database. My database name is a Charan. Let's add that one, the database. We have to put between single quotes. Then we require the username also. The user is equals to find the user details in the databases, select the PostgreSQL, the main folder name, right click the mouse, go to properties. In the properties, go to connection. Here you can find the username is a Postgres. Let's copy that one and paste here, comma. After that, I'm adding the password. Password is equals to password. Here the password section, I'm adding the dummy password, but at the time of running this application I'll change this into the real password just for the security reasons. Next thing, we require the host also. The host is localhost, and we require the port number. The port number is 5432. Copy that one and paste here. Let's add the comma. That's it. We have configured the connection string, the PostgreSQL connection string in this database. Let's save this file, save all. And now let's migrate these models into this. Let's close this one, into this database. So before migration, let's install the package called pip install. We need to add pip install PsYCOPG2. Click enter. And here we got a message, the requirement already satisfied. First we need to install these packages into our application. Then let's migrate. Python manage.py migrate, enter. See here all the tables has migrated into this PostgreSQL database. Let's refresh first, refresh. Now go to schemas. See here the tables, before it was empty, now we got these tables here. Now we'll import the custom model data table also, which is the employee. For that, let's add the command called python manage.py migrate double hyphen. I'm running sync db, enter. See here, after I run this command, this is the application name and the employee, the table, the model name is created the table. Let's check. I'm refreshing the table again, refresh. See here we got the post migrate employee table. Let's browse this one. View data all rows. After I browse this table, here the column names empid, emp name, email. These are the column name properties. That's it.